Back when racing meant bruises, not followers. No smooth tracks, no perfect lines. Just raw dirt and bad intentions. You did not ride to look fast. You rode to survive. Steel tanks, air-cooled engines, and guts thicker than the mud on your boots. They call this outdated. But tell me, when did comfort become speed? When did clean become faster than chaos? Back then, if you crashed, you got up or you went home. So here is the question. Do you want progress? Or did we lose something we will never get back?